In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 laptop or PC lagging or slow problem. So I'll show you the best 3 steps to fix this. For this, just go to your search at the bottom of your screen and search for settings. From the best matches, just open up settings. Then from the left-hand menu, just go to gaming. From here, just go to game mode, which says optimize your gameplay for PC. Just click on this. Then just go to game mode and turn it off. If you don't play any game, you can turn it off. But if you do play games on your PC, then keep it on. But for most people, you should turn it off if you don't play games. After that, what you have to do is just go inside System from the left-hand menu. Then from here, just scroll down a bit and go inside Storage. Click on Yes if it asks for any permission. And let it scan your drives properly over here. Just give it a few seconds. And after that, under Storage Management, you'll find Storage Sense. Just make sure it is turned on. Then you can go inside Cleanup Recommendation. It will optimize your storage, so just expand this. As you can see, mine is optimized, so I have no recommended files to clean. If you have some files over here, just click on Remove. Beside there will be a button, and you will be able to remove those and optimize your storage as well. Go one step back and another step back into System. From here, just go inside Notifications. From Notifications, just turn this off and turn off every single app notification from here as well. Make sure the top one is turned off and every single one will be turned off from here as well. Just turn every single notification bar to off. Then what you need to do is close all this, right-click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager. Expand this, click on Open Navigation button, and then go to Startup Apps. From here, you'll find some apps that are enabled on startup. So to disable them, just right-click on them and click on Disable. Do this for all the apps and make them disabled on startup if you don't need them. Then close this out. And for the last step, what you have to do is go to your search and search for View Advanced System Settings and open it up from the best match. After that, just go to the Advanced tab and go to Performance, which says Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Just click on Settings. After that, just click on Adjust for Best Performance, click on Apply, click on OK. Click on Apply, click on OK again. Then just go ahead and restart your computer. And basically, that is how to fix lagging or slow problem on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.